In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money with a small YouTube channel. A lot of people think that your YouTube channel has to be really big in order to make a lot of money. And that's true if you're only focused on one of the sources, which is ad revenue. But I actually make money from my YouTube channel in 7 different ways. And in this video, I'm going to talk about all of them and let you know exactly how you can get started making money as well. I averaged $110 a day in completely passive income connected to my YouTube channel in February. While $110 a day is not like amazing money, it's pretty awesome when it's passive. I've talked about this before in this video, but I am doing everything I can to get my passive income up and my active income, meaning income that I have to do work for in real time, like coaching my one-on-one clients, doing consulting, speaking, those kinds of things are active income for me. And I enjoy those things, but what I really want is to increase the amount of passive income coming in every month so that eventually it's not $110 a day, it's $300 a day, $400 a day, $500 a day, so that eventually it just is more than I need and it frees me up to do the things that I really love to do and maybe even do those things for nothing, which would be really cool. But in this video, no matter what your goals are, I want to show you how to take a YouTube channel, no matter how large it is, and use it to generate passive income. So if you're into that, stick around. My name's Lane. I love to help entrepreneurs, especially online entrepreneurs and self-publishing authors, to get their message out and make a great income doing it. If you're into that kind of thing, and you should be, because why would you not be? You probably would not be on my video if you weren't. Click the subscribe button below. Be sure to give this video a like. It really helps. And let me know in the comments, what type of passive income are you most excited about learning how to make? I also want to give you something for free for watching this video. You can go to lanesebring.com/super simple. This is my super simple guide to your first $500 online. So everything we're talking about in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step exactly how to implement it in your own life and in your own business. So go to lanesebring.com/super simple and pick that guide up right now. Okay, so let's jump into it. In February, I was able to use the traffic that I was getting from my YouTube videos to generate an average of $110 a day in completely passive income, which totaled $3,100 for the month of February. So I want to break down exactly how all of that was tied to 7 income sources that are really originated and generated from YouTube. So let's start with the lowest amount and go up to the greatest amount. The first 4 sources that I want to focus on are all connected to affiliates. What is affiliates? Well, I did a video right here on affiliate marketing. You can check that out if you want. But essentially all an affiliate relationship is when there is a company that has a product and then there is a person who has an audience, and that person recommends that product to his or her audience. And when they do, when that audience goes over, buys the product, the person benefits from that affiliate relationship because they get a commission. So there are 4 sources right now that I get affiliate commissions from. And this just means that at some point or another, I have recommended those products. And in these cases, I've done that on my YouTube channel, some more than others, but I recommend the product or service. I put a link in the description. People can click on the link, they can go buy the product, go sign up for the service, and when they do, I get a small affiliate commission. The beauty of this is that it doesn't cost the customer any more money because they're spending the exact price of the product. It's beneficial as well to the company because they were able to acquire a customer without having to run their own ads and without having to spend the normal money that they might have to make. And then it's beneficial to me because I made a video, sent people over to someone else's product, and I got a commission as a result. So it really ends up being a win-win-win, which is the best of all scenarios.
We are prepared to make you a very generous offer.
And we are prepared to reject that offer.
So the first source that I made money in this way from was ConvertKit, which is an email service provider that I used to recommend. I don't recommend it anymore. Not that I don't like it, it's just that I moved everything over to Kajabi, which is my preferred platform for everything online business, including your email list. But I did have at one point videos on ConvertKit, so I made $29.70 from ConvertKit. The next up is Buzzsprout, which is the podcast host that I recommend. And I have an affiliate relationship with them. Every time somebody signs up, I get $25. The customer gets a $20 Amazon card. It's a win-win situation. That affiliate relationship in February earned me $50, which means that 2 people signed up. The next up is Kajabi, which again is my preferred online business platform. It's an all-in-one solution that allows you to host your website, host your courses, your membership site, your email list, your landing pages, all your sales funnels, all of that in one place on Kajabi. So I do a video about Kajabi on this channel every Friday, either a tutorial or a review or a combination of both. And in February, I made $661 from people signing up for Kajabi. You can see why it's worth it to me, because that wasn't even a ton of people signing up, but it pays really well. So for the people who need an online business solution like that, Kajabi is perfect for them, and I want to be the one to show them Kajabi. So if Kajabi is something you're interested in, please use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a few things with it that are pretty cool. If you go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi, I'll explain all of that there. So far we have these affiliate sources that are just a result of me making videos about the product and then people going over and buying the product. The next thing I want to talk about is actually ad revenue, because that is something on YouTube that you can enjoy once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And between my 2 channels, I have one channel at about 7,600 subscribers, and then this channel at the time of this recording at 1,200 subscribers. So both of them are actually monetized. And what's interesting is, even with more subscribers on one channel than the other, the ad revenue is not all that different. And that has to do with a lot of different things, including how much advertisers are willing to pay based on the content of the video. It turns out that advertisers don't pay a ton for videos about preaching, but they will pay a lot for videos about online business and self-publishing. So even though my Preaching Donkey channel has way more views on average in a month, I make pretty much the same between both of those channels. On this channel, Lane Sebring, I made $100.35 in February. On my Preaching Donkey channel, which has about 7 times the amount of subscribers, in February I made $165. Next up is book sales. Now, I will say my books sell because of a lot of different factors. They're on Amazon, they've been on there for a while, they have a lot of ratings, a lot of reviews. So there is some things like that that are just kind of the machine has been working, but there is no denying that my presence on YouTube, pointing people to my content, pointing people to my books, is a big part of why I'm able to sell the amount of books that I do. So in February, from book sales, I made $455.67 between paperback, ebook, audio, and KENP. Next up is another affiliate, which is Amazon Associates. I had my best month ever in February. I made $321.36. This was really, really exciting. What is happening on my Amazon Associates is pretty cool. I am doing a product review video on this channel every Monday. Most of those products relate to the content of my channel. I really like to keep it that way. So I do reviews on microphones, reviews on cameras, reviews on tech equipment, all the stuff that you need to make YouTube videos, make courses, record your content. And occasionally I'll do product reviews on things that I just like and I want to share that I think make your life better. All of those product reviews have links. The links go to Amazon, and when somebody purchases a product, I get a small commission for that as well. And it's just growing exponentially right now. I had my best month in November, then I had a better month in December, then I had a better month than that in January, and then I had a better month than that in February, and right now in March, it's looking like March is gonna be my best month ever yet again. So that's pretty exciting that just from making videos, I'm able to make that much money in the Amazon Affiliates program. If you want more information about how all that works, check out this video right here. So the last category in passive income in February is from my course sales. These were from Evergreen sales, which just means that I always have these courses in my sales funnel. So when somebody opts into my site, they're taken through what's called a welcome sequence. This is all done within Kajabi very nicely. They're offered an opportunity to purchase my course, and I made $1,321 from those. That's down a little bit from January. I made more than $2,000 in January. Some of that had to do with just a higher number of opt-ins, which means a higher number of people going through the welcome sequence and a higher number of people being offered the product. So much of what we do in online business just ends up being a numbers game. The more eyeballs you have watching your content, that means the more people that opt in, which means the more people are offered products, which means more people buy. That's just the way it is. So I don't think I left out anything in terms of the passive income, but all that comes out to $3,100 for February, which is an average of $110 a day. That doesn't include the active income that I made from speaking engagements, consulting fees, and one-on-one coaching with my clients. All of that work makes up the balance of my income so that I can actually make a living doing this. But like I said, eventually I want to get these passive sources up so that I don't have to rely as much on the active sources of income. One of the sources I talked about was ad revenue on YouTube. And even though you don't make a ton, you can make a lot over time, especially as your audience grows. If you're curious how much money you can make, I made a video about how much I made in the first year being monetized on my other channel, and I want to show you how all that worked out in this video right here. So click on this video and I'll see you in there to talk about my first year being monetized on that channel. So go ahead and click right there. Just give it a little tap. I'll wait. I've got all day. Just right there, just click on that and I'll see you in that video.